Greetings and welcome to our YouTube channel, where we discuss the most recent advancements in architecture and design. While the year 2050 may seem far off, architects and designers are already hard at work on projects that will influence our cities and neighborhoods in the future. Today, we're taking a look ahead to the year 2050 to see what the world of architecture will be like. Innovative designs that will shape our cities and communities for years to come are already in the minds of architects and designers as we near the midpoint of the 21st century. The important developments and trends that will shape the future of architecture are examined in this video. In the year 2050, sustainability will be the primary focus of architecture. Architects are integrating sustainable design elements into their designs as people become more conscious of the effects their actions have on the environment. To reduce energy consumption and encourage biodiversity, these elements can include the installation of solar panels, green roofs, and rainwater collection systems. Buildings will be made to run in sync with the natural world around them, lowering their carbon footprint and fostering a healthier environment. In addition to an emphasis on creating buildings that are more energy efficient in terms of heating and cooling, the use of recycled materials in construction will become more widespread. By using 3D printing technology to build sustainable structures with less waste and expense, for example, architects will continue to push boundaries and explore new terrain. The environment will gain from these developments in sustainable design, but people who live and work in these areas will also see an improvement in their quality of life. The future architecture will be characterized by intelligent cities in addition to sustainability. With the development of new technologies like the Internet of Things, IoT, buildings will be fitted with sensors that can monitor and control traffic flow, energy usage, and other aspects of urban life. By reducing waste and increasing overall city efficiency, this information will be used to improve building operations. The development of intelligent structures that can cater to the demands of their occupants will also be seen in the future. Under the preferences of the occupants, the lighting, temperature, and ventilation may all be altered. As a result of the ability of buildings to interact with one another, a network of intelligent buildings can be developed that can optimize energy use and improve the sustainability and efficiency of cities. The security and safety of cities will also be enhanced by this network of intelligent buildings. Buildings can identify and respond to possible hazards in real time with the use of sensors and cameras that monitor the environment, which lowers the chance of accidents and criminal activity. We will see brand new cutting-edge materials being employed in construction as we continue to push the limits of technology. Building materials other than conventional concrete and steel will be used in buildings by the year 2050. Instead, cutting-edge materials like graphene, carbon fiber, and bioplastics will be available to architects, allowing them to design more effective and environmentally friendly structures. The architecture will be able to create stronger, lighter, and more energy-efficient structures because of the usage of cutting-edge materials. For instance, bioplastics can be utilized to construct biodegradable structures that are simple to recycle, while graphene can be employed to produce ultra-strong and light building materials. The idea of living buildings will determine how architecture develops in the future. Adaptability and responsiveness to their surroundings will increase as buildings grow smarter and more environmentally friendly. Imagine a structure that is capable of morphing to suit the needs of its occupants or the surrounding area. Buildings that mirror the adaptability and responsiveness of living things are known as living buildings and are influenced by the natural world. Buildings that perceive and respond to their surroundings, produce energy, and even purify the air around them can be built using technologies like artificial intelligence and biotechnology. In conclusion, living buildings, smart cities, sustainable design, and breakthrough materials will shape architecture in the year 2050. By building structures that are not only aesthetically attractive but also incredibly functional and efficient, architects and designers will continue to push the limits of what is possible. The creation of new and sustainable architectural solutions must be given top priority as we deal with the problems posed by climate change and rising urbanization. We appreciate you watching this video about how architecture will be in 2050. We hope it was both educational and motivating for you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos about the newest developments in architecture and design.